Panic stage in the sunshine. I got a half whoop, then a couple of others. We're having a discussion. Help me out here. Should Katie walk on to the intro or start on the stage? It's a walk on, Katie.
With the guitar.
Not yet. I haven't introduced her yet. You don't know who's coming on. She's been flagged by W21 as one to watch the festival. Give it up for Katie Nicholas.
I'm just going to go cringe and hide behind that. Hello, everyone.
Hi.
How is everyone?
Yeah.
You having a great time? Yeah, I am. This is my first Buckle and Boots experience. I'm out of breath for running. So I'm going to start with a song of mine called Chemistry. Some of y'all may know it. I did this a long, long time ago. It's going to come up to 10 years. Wow. And yeah, I've been off the scene and I'm hoping to come back with a whole new country EP next year and a big band. So watch this space. Katie Nicholas. Sing along if you know it. We both love Big Bang Theory. No quantum physics, just new theories. And I love you like constellations of the stars. You're my Jupiter, I'll be your Mars. I only know a thing or two, writing songs like this for you. And I ain't a scientist or a mathematical geek, but one thing that I know is pretty neat. Well, this love is like a calculation, funny little combination of feelings and smiles, memories and miles. This love is like a new equation full of chemicals and complications, the intricacy. Well, it's you and it's me. It's chemistry. And our love's a chemical explosion. It's radioactive and it's blowing. And I've loved you from the very first day. So let's sing our theory, we'll blow them all away. This love is like a calculation, funny little combination of feelings and smiles, memories and miles. This love is like a new equation full of chemicals and complications, the intricacy. Well, it's you and it's me. It's chemistry. Know a thing or two, and I don't know much about this world, but I just need one of you. And I even wonder what our multiplication could be. The apples falling from the tree, Newton we found gravity. Here's a real reality. Can't hear you. Yeah, whoa, this love is like a calculation, funny little combination of feelings and smiles, memories and miles. This love is like a new equation full of chemicals and complications, the intricacy. Well, it's you and it's me. It's meant to be. Yeah, it's chemistry. Probably fluffed up my hair, but you know what? I'm just gonna rest this somewhere. Hope that's okay. Okay, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do a new song of mine. This is called The War on Love. Love can be a really tricky thing, don't you think? and maybe I don't need to say anything at all about it, but this is The War on Love. Be careful what you do with your love. Be careful who you take it from, 'cause the battle runs as red as the blood. Step out of line, you'll have your face in the mud, 'cause flowers don't grow in the sand. I set a base on a desert land. Now the reaper reaps the seeds that I owe. He was a rolling stone. Was it all just for show? Show me, show me. Be careful where you leave your heart. You look around and you leave them scarred. I found a dime while I was kicking in the dirt. When I looked down, I knew that this was gonna hurt. Now everyone hurts. So be at peace if you can't smile. Be your knight in shining armor, the justice to the calmer. Be wise, but be wild. Be the girl who's going under, the force behind the thunder. It's easy to look back and be sad. I just lost everything that I ever had. Be careful what you do with your love. Might cast some spells that turn out tough, and the wizard will reach out his hand and he'll push it back and you won't understand. Be careful when you look at the sun. He'll run ahead and he'll jump the gun. And cowboys and angels won't keep their horse in the stables. He thought sinning was just for fun. I said sinning just isn't for fun. So be at peace if you can't smile. Be your knight in shining armor, the justice to the calmer. Be wise, but be wild. Be the girl who's going under, the force behind the thunder. It's easy to look back and be sad. I just lost everything that I ever had. Be high and mighty. Say you're a bird who's feeling flighty. See the lows of the shadow. Go to places you didn't wanna go. See every side you didn't wanna show. Well, you've gone down for kicking on heaven's door. Yeah, you lost the battle, but you still won the war. Yeah, you won the war. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, you won the war. Oh, yeah, yeah. So be at peace all the while. Be your knight in shining armor, the justice to the calmer. Be wise, but be wild. Be the girl who's going under, the force behind the thunder. It's easy to look back and be sad. I just lost everything that I ever had. Oh, it's easy just to look at the bad, but I was the best thing that I never had. Thank you. Thanks so much. Thanks for coming in out of the sunshine too. I don't blame you staying over there. I've lost my set. So I'm going to play an oldie of mine. This is called Dizzy. This is my first album. I've got a few of them. They're kind of running out at the minute, but they're over in the merch stable over there. And it's called Dizzy. Wrote this a long time ago, and I'm just trying to play a few songs that some of you may know. I do appreciate a lot of people sticking around. I disappeared for a while. I'm like that. A bit scatty McGee. But this is called Dizzy. holds me close all through the night, and it takes me back to my teens when love was a whole new reality. I'm here again, heart on my sleeve as he wraps his coat around me. Well, you wouldn't know how you make me feel, and under these bright lights, well, it's so surreal. So please don't say a word, 'cause I'll say too much. I'm dizzy with your love. And as the whirling rides blare and hush, my head is facing, I feel the rush. Roller coaster running through my mind, I'm lost for words and start to blush. 'Cause my, oh my, no better view than the fairground lights surrounding you. Starry night, dream come true, our special seaside rendezvous. Well, you wouldn't know how you make me feel, and under these bright lights, it's so surreal. So please don't say a word, 'cause it's much too soon. I'm dizzy with your love. I'm dizzy with your love. I'm dizzy with your love. So he smiled at me with his eyes, baby blue like the brightest skies. Twirling planes, fairground rides, candy floss and french fries. Thank you. Thank you. Not played that in so long. Okay, I'm gonna do a cover. Give myself a little break in my songs. Who loves Miranda Lambert? I like Miranda Lambert very much. I think there's a set few songs that really got me into picking. All right, Dad, you breaking in? I've got me a bodybuilder, not bodybuilder, bouncer with me. What? What am I saying? Jesus, take me off the microphone. It's always a pain with a good tune. I'm not one of those like pros that's like, I'll just pick up the Gibson now. I'm saving up. I forgot to ask you. So this is called The House That Built Me. Does anyone know the song? It's quite an obscure one by Miranda. I really love it, and she got me into the old cross picking. Hope you enjoy. Okay, here we go. Can I have a little bit more guitar? They say you can't go home again. I just had to come back one last time, and that might know you don't know me from Adam, but these handprints on the front porch steps of mine, up those stairs in that little back bedroom, is where I did my homework and I learned to play guitar. And I bet you didn't know, under that live oak, my favorite dog is buried in the yard. I thought if I could touch this place or feel it, that this brokenness inside me might start healing. And out here it's like I'm someone else. I thought that maybe I could find myself if I could just come in. I swear I'd leave. I won't take nothing but a memory. house that built me. Mama cut out pictures of houses for years, from better homes and garden magazines. Plans were drawn in concrete poured, nail by nail and board by board. Daddy gave life to Mama's dreams. Well, I thought if I could touch this place or feel it, that this brokenness inside me might start healing. And out here it's like I'm someone else. Thought that maybe I could find myself if I could just come in. I swear I'd leave. I won't take nothing but a memory from the house that built me. Thank you. Took that like 2 keys too low then. Okay. Bring another original out. It's really nice. I came on the stage before and I was like, oh, there's no one here apart from my beloveds. But it's really nice to see people come in, so thank you so much. And my name's Katie Nicholas, if you didn't already know that. And yeah, thank you. I'm having a lovely time. This is a song that I'm going to release next year. I've done a bit of a collaborative thing. I don't know if anyone knows Rob Vincent. I've just given the game away. That was meant to be a surprise. Ah, ta-da! So we're going to release a song together next year. And it's called You Kill Me. Why can't I do? Do you want to hear a joke? Okay, 2 peanuts were walking down a spooky alleyway one night. One was assaulted. Still haven't tuned. Shit. Oh. Okay, let's go. Here's a miserable love song. I know I forge an act of treason when my visit and reason is cause for concern. And as I grip the edge of your bed, I fear that something that I said will make your stomach churn. Well, there's little more that I can say. You hurt me in the softest way. You kill me with your eyes. You kill me with your smile. There's too many cracks in my foundation, but you'll cover them for a while, and it kills me. Well, I'm not one to fall for conclusions, but I just love the illusion that we are one and the same. Yeah. And is there something that stops you from leaving, or is it just heavy breathing that keeps you in the frame? Well, there's little more that I can say. You hurt me in the softest way. You kill me with your eyes. Yeah, you kill me with your smile. There's too many cracks in my foundation, but you'll cover them for a while, and it kills me when you call, 'cause it gets me every time. Well, you told me that you can't commit, that love feels feels like a crime. Yeah, you kill me. Yeah, you kill me. Oh, yeah, you kill me. Da 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 dum, da 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 dum, da da dum. Thank you. I'm going to do one that I've objected to playing for a long time. Can you believe? I'm going to play a song called Boots, because I guess we are at Buckle and Boots. And you know, I wrote this when I was super young, so I've always been like, oh, it's not a good song, but hopefully you enjoy it. It's the only one people actually seem to like. I keep writing new ones and they're like, play Boots, and I'm like, please, listen to my new stuff. But here we go, this is Boots. How's it go? Another souvenir for your shelf. A trusty garden gnome / elf. Dusty, unappealing corners phrase. And though you moved on, I always stayed. Never been alone in love, even though it was once right. Don't say you love me, then change your mind overnight. So let me walk around in your boots so I can see why you walked over me, why you dropped me so fast when you promised me this would last. Let me walk around in your skin so I can see where I begin. You don't have to spell it out for me, or maybe give me a little empathy. As seasons come and go in their minds, a moment passes by, then you're behind. Ever wonder to yourself, where did I go wrong? Maybe you're the one who's lost, but hey, I wrote your song. So let me walk around in your boots so I can see why you walked over me, why you dropped me so fast when you promised me this would last. Let me walk around in your skin so I can see where I begin. You don't have to spell it out for me, or maybe give me a little empathy. Seasons come and go, it's time to move on. See, I am no souvenir, and from your shelf I'm gone, gone. So let me walk around in your boots so I can see why you walked over me, why you dropped me so fast when you promised me this would last. Let me walk around in your skin so I can see where I begin. You don't have to spell it out for me, or maybe give me a little empathy. Thank you. Oh, there's more, there's more. Okay, this is another one of mine that I released a few years ago. It's called Patience. I don't know if anyone knows much of my stuff. I end up making all these music videos and I end up getting like too involved in the creative side and not release enough of the music, and then be like, oh, and then I really don't have the patience. So then time flips by and I'm there dreaming big, but it's all inside my head. So this is what Patience is about. Thanks for being such a lovely audience, by the way. If it takes time to be a bit more patient, then that's not my best quality. It's like I'm waiting at the station, waiting so long that I could almost leave. I'm sticking by as long as I can shooting low. I wish I could fly with the arrows that I throw. La da 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 da. I find it hard to stay in one place. I see the catch that I am willing to chase. Yet the better things in life take time. I just hope when I get there that it's still mine. I hope when I get there that it's still mine. I hope when I get there it's still mine. Thank you. One more song? Okay. I'm going to do one more song. This is a song called Cabin Fever. Speaking of music videos, I did one of these in lockdown, and I was there putting Sylvanian families around a little miniature bonfire that I made, and I'd absolutely truly lost it. So this is if you want to see that, it's on YouTube. It's called Cabin Fever. That's how I spent my lockdown. And I didn't even write it about lockdown. I actually found myself in a cabin fever anyway. Sorry, someone. My dad's waving at me. I don't know why he's still not. Forgive me, I'm distracted because he's. What are you doing? Okay. Anyway, so this song is called Cabin Fever, and thank you so much for being such a lovely audience, and I'm going to be over there in a bit if you want to come and say hello. Bet you're looking forward to this. This is taking a while. Better be in tune. Okay, Cabin Fever. Thank you. Too comfortable in this madhouse, and I'm dying. You don't notice, dear. We move slow here each day last year, and I'm heating up. You don't notice, dear. And it suits for some, but not for all. This quiet life that they adore. Well, fun and games, the same refrains. All jokes aside, my world feels small. Oh, cabin fever, cabin fever. Just can't leave here. Cabin fever. Is there anyone out there crying out? It's an SOS, and he never hears me shout. Is it selfish to run with my heart? Don't deny me, 'cause you lost your own spark. And I watch the view sinking in blue. I see that lake, it's my escape. So join me too and explore the new, or just look at me like a mistake. I can't take just to please. There's a way out. Grab the keys. Grab those keys. Cozy in here, but hard to get out. But I know now it's cabin fever. Yeah. Oh no. Try that again. Cozy in here, but hard to get out. But I know now it's cabin fever. Thanks so much for having me. My name is Katie Nicholas. It's been a pleasure. Thank you. Bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely voice of Katie Nicholas. Katie will be going down to the W21 merch stand, so you can meet her and have a chat with her down there. Just starting down at the main stage is Matt Wynn from the States, but be back here at 5:40 for Preston D. Barnes. See you later.